Hello student, welcome back to Vishal Sir Physics in Real Life. First of all, thank you so much for giving me so much love and support in my previous videos, and I hope you will give me the same support and love in my upcoming videos. So today we are going to discuss about chapter which is common to for both the classes 10th and 12th. That is magnetic effect of electric current, and the most important topic that is called as right hand thumb rule. So before starting, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share my video and click to the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now let us start what is right hand thumb rule. Before starting right hand thumb rule, what is the meaning of magnetic effect of electric current? You know the electric current. You see in my previous video what is electric current. Now as you know that in any circuit, when you draw a circuit, suppose you draw a bulb and a battery, positive, negative, this is formation of cell. Then again we combine one cell in series, there is formation of battery. And suppose this is connected to a key K and the battery having potential suppose V. When you complete the circuit through key, what you observe? Bulb will glow. Because of flow of current, as you know that flow of current is always from positive terminal of battery towards the negative terminal of the battery. This is about electric current. But here we want to see what is in by magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, you should produce magnetic field because of flow of electric current. The electric current may be moving in the clockwise sense or it may be moving in anti-clockwise sense. It depends on the polarity of the battery. It means that the flow of electric current will control the magnetic effect. How it is controlled? Let us see. As you know that magnetic field or magnet, there are two types of magnetic field. One is called as permanent magnetic field, another is called as artificial magnetic field. Permanent magnet, you know bar magnet, this is an example of permanent magnet. There are some few applications in daily life. But in real life, as you know that physics in real life by Vishal Sir, in real life this artificial magnet having a lot of applications. Now how artificial magnet will produce? How artificial magnet obtain? Let us see one by one. Okay. Before starting right hand rule, you observe some practical applications. Then we state what is right hand thumb rule. Suppose we consider conductor. As you know that current may be flowing in the clockwise sense or it may be flowing in the anti-clockwise sense. Depend on the battery polarity. If you connect like here positive, here negative, then it's moving in clockwise sense. If you change the polarity of the battery, then automatic direction of current change. So first we decide the direction of current. Because of flow of current, we produce magnetic field. That's why the chapter name is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. Suppose we consider a conductor, straight conductor. This is straight conductor. Suppose we consider two parallel straight conductor. Okay. In one conductor, the current is moving like in this direction, upward direction. We can write, NEW as news. There are four directions: north, east, west and south. Suppose current moving from S to N in upward direction in first case. In the second case, the current moving in the downward direction. It means from N to S. Then question arises, what is direction of magnetic field? This is about current. We have to find out the value of artificial magnet. The property of artificial magnet suggests that when current is zero, the magnetic field, the corresponding magnetic field also zero. When current goes on increasing, the magnetic field across that conductor also goes on increasing. And when the current goes on decreasing, the magnetic field also goes on decreasing. Daily life example, fan. When you increase the regulatory speed, what do you increase? We increase the value of current. As the current increases, the automatic magnetic field also goes on increasing. This is all about, comes under the category of right hand thumb rule. Let us observe here. the current is moving in this conductor in the upward direction. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? As you know that magnetic field always in the form of concentric circle. In the form of concentric circle. How we draw concentric circle? This is a form of concentric circle like this. In this conductor also it is in the form of concentric circle like this. But we can't decide whether the magnetic field are moving in clockwise sense or anti-clockwise sense. Because there are two directions of current here. In this conductor current moving from S to N. In this direction current moving from N to S. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? How we decide? Let us suppose one example. This is a tester. This point indicate the direction of flow of current. Suppose this is the direction of flow of current in that conductor. Okay. Now we have to find out the law of direction of magnetic field. Suppose we consider tap. In this tap, we indicate the arrow which indicate the direction of flow of magnetic field. As you know that current moving from, in the first case, current moving from S to N in the upward direction. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? How we decide the direction of magnetic field? There are two directions of magnetic field. If you place like this is a circular loop. Then current should, the magnetic field should be moving in which sense? This is in which sense? Yes, very good. It is moving in the anti-clockwise sense. But if you put like this, then what is the direction of magnetic field? It should be in which direction? Yes, it should be in clockwise direction. That's why this artificial magnet gives you two types. It depends on the direction of flow of current. It may be in the clockwise sense, the magnetic field may be in the form of clockwise sense, maybe in the form of anti-clockwise sense. How we decide? That's why the law is used, which decide the direction of. See here written is that the direction of magnetic field associated with the current carrying conductor is given by right hand thumb rule. What is right hand thumb rule? Okay, this is the main question. Let us start. What is right hand thumb rule? Suppose this conductor, this is a carrying current conductor. So according to right hand thumb rule, the thumb, what is the problem? Yeah, this is left hand. You require right hand. Consider right hand thumb rule. That's why you require right hand. This thumb indicates the flow of direction of current. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? How we decide? Now according to right hand thumb rule, the core finger, observe here, this is a core finger. This core finger gives the direction of magnetic field. It means that when current moving like in this direction, in the direction of thumb indicates the direction of flow of current. Then this core finger indicates the direction of flow of magnetic field. It means that if the direction of current moving in this direction, then magnetic field moving like this, moving around this like this. Okay, because this indicates the flow of direction of magnetic field. Okay, if you reverse the direction of current like this, in the second case, then what is the direction of magnetic field? You consider thumb. You should show the thumb in direction of current. Current moving like this. Second case, current moving like this. It moving from N to S. Then your thumb should be placed like this. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? It should be like this. It means that when thumb pointed upward direction, the magnetic field should be like this. That is in the sense of anti-clockwise direction. Observe here, this is thumb. Finger going inside. They are moving in this direction. That is called as anti-clockwise. In the second case, the flow of current downward like this. So what is the direction of magnetic field? You get the sound. That is like this. But means it should be in the clockwise sense. That's why right hand rule state that, imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand. You should consider a conductor, carrying current conductor, it should be in right hand. In such a way that the thumb points towards the direction of current As you know the direction of current, you know the direction of current with the help of thumb. Then the folder finger will indicate the presence of magnetic field or magnetic lines surrounding the wire or that conductor. This is known as right hand thumb rule. There are a lot of application of this rule. We see one by one. This is about straight conductor. I hope you understood very well across straight conductor. Now, if you apply right hand rule to a circular conductor, then what to do? Don't worry, Vishal sir is there. Don't worry. Suppose we consider a circular conductor in the form of ring. This is a ring in the form of ring. Okay, we consider in one direction. Suppose we consider flow of current in one particular direction, and we suppose they are moving in anti-clockwise sense. Then what is the magnetic field? Direction of magnetic field. How we can find out direction of magnetic field? Now we consider a circular conductor, and we suppose the direction of current is in the anti-clockwise sense. We have to find out the direction of magnetic field. How we can find out the direction of magnetic field? Let us see how we can find out the direction of magnetic field. This is a current loop. Okay, the current is moving in this sense. It should be moving in anti-clockwise sense. Then you know, circular loop is made up of large number of small element. When combine this small element, they form a circle. As you know that every small element of that conductor, that should be a straight conductor. Like this. It means that in that straight conductor, suppose current moving in this direction. They are moving from S to N. Then what is the direction of magnetic field? Apply this rule here. Same rule apply here. You get the direction of magnetic field very easily. Then what is the direction of magnetic field in this sense? Yes, it should be in anti-clockwise sense. How? Let us see. As you know that according to right hand thumb rule, thumb indicate the direction of current. Current moving like this, current going like this. How you hold this ring? You hold this like this. This gives the direction of current. Then this finger indicate the direction of magnetic field. It means that the magnetic field like this. Okay, so here we get the magnetic field like this pattern. Again we take the another example. Here also, if you consider here current direction of flow of current, how you can hold? You can hold like this because thumb indicate the direction of flow of current. What is the magnetic field? Magnetic field like this. Hold here. What is the direction of magnetic field? Observe. Here it should be in anti-clockwise sense. But we consider it likely on the opposite side. On the opposite side, what is the direction of magnetic field? As you know the current moving in this direction, then the direction of magnetic field should be in which sense? Which sense? Yes, it should be in clockwise sense. In the same manner, when we consider in this direction, the direction of current in this direction, then what is the magnetic field? It should be in like in this sense. Okay, hope so you understand how we can find the direction of magnetic field. Let us move towards one problem. Okay. Question is, a current through a horizontal power line flowing in is two-ways direction. Current moving in is two-ways direction. You have to find out what is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it. How we can find? This is the main application of right hand rule. Let us apply. You know four directions: N, E, W and S. According to statement of question, current is moving in the direction of east to west. Means current moving in this direction. This is the direction of current. You should find out the value of direction of magnetic field below and above. Let us find first below. Suppose this is a current carrying conductor which is placed in the horizontal position and current moving from east to west. Apply right hand rule. Then what is the direction of magnetic field below? Hold like this. This gives the direction of current. What you observe? Below. The direction of magnetic field. Where they are moving? Where they are moving? They are moving from N to S. Because thumb indicate direction of flow of current and the finger indicate the direction of flow of magnetic field. This is below. Now we will find out the above. What is above? Direction of magnetic field. Above. This is the direction of flow of current. This is above the magnetic field. You stop here. This is called as direction of magnetic field. They are moving from S to N. Consider here, they are moving in downward direction. If you consider here, they are moving from N to S. If you consider here, they are moving from upward direction. When you consider above, they are moving from S to N. I hope you understand very well what is right hand rule. So goodbye and hope we will meet in the next class soon. Good day, goodbye.